Here we are at number 1 Nightingale Rise. You've got a driveway for several cars and a double garage. Let's take a look inside. So here we are in the entrance hallway. We've got a storage cupboard in there, through to a spacious kitchen breakfast room. With a door out onto the garden. Through to a study in here, which could also be a separate dining room, with double doors out onto the garden. Got a sitting room in here with working fireplace and sliding doors out onto the garden. We've got dining room in here, dual aspect. Got downstairs shower room in here. And a separate cloakroom in there. Up on the first floor, you've got a spacious landing. With airing cupboard in there. Through to master bedroom in here with fitted wardrobes. We've got ensuite in here with shower. We've got second bedroom in here. Again, with built-in wardrobes. We've got a family bathroom in here. Got another bedroom in here. Again, with fitted wardrobes. Got a fourth bedroom in here, dual aspect, and we've got another bedroom in here, which could be a study also. Immediately adjoining the property, you've got a seating terrace. Which leads up onto a lawned area. The garden continues where you find a shed. The garden is very secluded, all enclosed by hedges and other plants. You've also got a door with access to the garage.